The texture is perfect, and the color is so rich.
We have everything we need.
Quality does make all the difference.
Keep stirring gently.
Yay. More sugar now?
Yes, pour it in slowly.
Oh, it's becoming so fluffy.
One at a time, let them blend smoothly into the mixture.
Sift it softly, my dears. That's how we keep the sponge beautifully light. Yes, perfectly fluffy.
Sift it softly. That's how we keep the sponge beautifully light.
Yes, exactly like that. Now add the butter.
We're getting closer. Into the oven we go. Looks perfect. So proud of these. They'll be delicious. Keep going. Almost done.
Perfect.
Just a little more on the edge. Almost done with this swirl. It's looking perfect. Let's spread this here. Just a little bit more cream. Oh, it looks absolutely perfect.
Oh, I can't wait to try it. This is the best tea time.
If you love elegant baking like this, subscribe and join us for tea.